In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to open a Wise account in Malaysia. First, you want to go to the official Wise website or download the official Wise app via either App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device type. Then tap sign up or open an account. Then choose Malaysia as your country. Enter your real personal details. This can include your full name, email, or phone number. Then you want to select either personal or business depending on your case. Then confirm your email and phone number. Then upload your valid ID and proof of address. This can be a utility bill, a bank statement, etc. And follow any selfie or face verification prompts so Wise can verify your identity legally. After the account is verified, choose your main currency. This can be MYR, USD, or SGD. Then add money via bank transfer or card, and you can now use Wise to send, receive, and hold money in Malaysia. If this video helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.